Dipping into Mehron's Bruise Wheel, I'm actually going to use this as my skin base color and mixing it with my everyday cream foundation in my shade. I'm going for a campy horror zombie vibe, and a big inspiration for my choice of going green was Dan O'Bannon's 1985 Return of the Living Dead's green half zombie. Using the blue violet mixed with the green of the color wheel, I am contouring my face as well as giving my cheekbone and eye a more sunken in zombie feel. Once I'm completely satisfied with the cream color placement, I go all in with Mehron setting powder. This will set your cream makeup and deter it from shifting. Going back to the color wheel, I lightly and sporadically tap in the color for each wound first with yellow and then maroon over top. Then going into the blue-violet shade, I again lightly tap in the color only around the circumference of each wound, giving the effect that these wounds are not fresh and trying to heal. Using the light red, blue violet, and yellow of the color wheel, I lightly draw in veins coming from each wound with a detailed brush. And there you have it, my pinup zombie. Please feel free to tag me if you recreate this look. Mehron and I would love to see all of them. With that, to all my ghosts and ghouls, happy haunting!